Hello students, welcome to this video. In today's class I will be talking to you about indefinite pronouns. As you can see here, indefinite pronouns work through replacing or taking the place of or as substitutes of nouns. I have some examples here written on the board of indefinite pronouns in action in a sentence. The first one says, everyone is here today. Everyone is our indefinite pronoun. Let me use another color because that doesn't highlight it quite well. Okay? Everyone is here today. Everyone is our indefinite pronoun. It replaces the noun. We don't know who everyone is. It could be Tim and David and Lucy. Tim, Lucy, David, and Mary. Everyone. So this replaces a group of nouns. Everyone. The next one says each. Each of these is important. We don't know what noun we are replacing, but we know that we are talking about a fragment. Each means, for example, each one of these markers has a different color. Each. Alright? The next one says, some are real, some are not. Some. We do not know. The noun is not written here. So we need an indefinite pronoun to replace or take the place of or substitute the noun. Some are real and some are not. The last one says, can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Here we have an object pronoun, but do not pay attention to that just now. Anybody is our indefinite pronoun. Can anybody hear me? You could say, can you hear me? But then we would have a pronoun. It would still be replacing the noun. We could say, can John, Dave, Louis, and Lucas hear me? Can anybody hear me? All right. So this is replacing the nouns. All right. Next, I will move on to some practice examples in sentences so that you can work through this topic with me. All right. Now you are going to help me identify the sentences that have an indefinite pronoun and the sentences that don't. We are going to tick the ones that have an indefinite pronoun and we are going to cross out the ones that do not. The first one says, there is not anybody here. There is not anybody here. There isn't anybody here. We have our indefinite pronoun here. So, this is correct. The next one says, someone must have forgotten their keys. Someone is replacing a noun. So, this is correct also. We have an indefinite pronoun. The third one says, one can never know. One is replacing a noun. So this is correct also. And the last one says, this is her thesis. We don't have a pronoun replacing a noun. So we're just going to cross it out. Next, I will leave you some homework. Remember that it's very important that you do it because you need to practice a lot to improve your English and to amplify your knowledge on this topic. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using indefinite pronouns. Remember that indefinite pronouns replace nouns or take the place of a noun. So if you have a workbook, please do your homework in your workbook. And if you don't, please leave your homework in the comment section below this video, along with any comment, suggestion, or question that you may have. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was of help, and well, see you in the next video. Would you like to watch my next video? Click on the television to the right. I will talk to you about the pronoun reference clarification. We know that sometimes we have